In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to a deal in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to add the right teammates to help move a deal forward. Start by opening your browser and heading to Hubspot. If you're not already signed in, log in with your company account. Make sure you're using an account that has access to your CRM and the specific deal you want to edit. If you can't see deals or user lists, you may need permissions from your admin. Once you're in the main Hubspot dashboard, look for the CRM area. Click CRM, then choose Deals. This brings you to your pipeline view or a list of deals, depending on how your portal is set up. If you prefer a board view, you'll see stages with deal cards. In a table view, you'll see rows. Either way, find the deal you want to update and click it to open the full record. Inside the deal record, focus on the right-hand sidebar. Locate the deal owner field. This shows the primary person responsible for the deal. Nearby, you'll see the collaborators option. Collaborators are additional team members who help manage the deal without changing its ownership. They can be notified, mentioned in notes, and kept in the loop, which makes coordination much easier. To add someone, click into the Collaborators area. You'll see a search bar where you can start typing a name or a work email. As you type, HubSpot will suggest matching users from your account. Take a moment to choose the correct person, especially if your company has people with similar names. When you see the right match, click the name to add them. HubSpot saves this automatically, so there's no separate save button to worry about. You should now see the collaborator's name listed on the deal. If you ever add the wrong person, you can remove them from the same area by selecting their name and clearing it. Remember, only users in your HubSpot account can be collaborators. Contacts outside your team can't be added here. Also, collaborators don't replace the deal owner. They supplement them. So keep the owner field accurate for reporting and accountability. That's all it takes. Sign in, go to CRM and Deals, open your deal, find the deal owner area, search by name or email, and click the correct user to add them as a collaborator. This simple step keeps everyone aligned, ensures timely follow-ups, and improves visibility across your sales process. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in HubSpot.